If your AI stack still looks like it did last month, then you're working harder than you need to be. Because I've tested over 100 different AI tools, and in this video, I'm going to share with you the ones that actually made a difference. And the best part about all these tools is they're not going to be the typical tools that you'll see in every other video on YouTube. These are going to be brand new to you, and you probably haven't heard of them before. On top of that, they're all hidden gems that you're going to wish you found sooner. And by the way, if you want to try any of these for yourself, I actually put the link to all of them in the pinned comment and the description below. Now, the first AI tool I want to show you is going to be cortex-notebooklm.com right here, because this allows you to transform NotebookLM into your knowledge hub. And they have so many different things that you could actually do with this. For example, you could add chats, you could add global context, deep organization, bulk power. They even allow you to actually store your prompts and have a prompt library. But my personal favorite use case is how now, when you're inside of ChatGPT, you're inside of Gemini, you could be inside of Claude, it doesn't matter what you're inside of, you can now add the chats that you're having inside of other LLMs to your notebooks incredibly easily. For example, ChatGPT is normally not connected to NotebookLM, but now if I come over here and I say something like, find me the top 10 cars of all time that are reselling for more than they originally were, which is something I'm interested in, and I actually have a huge notebook around this, we could see this went through, this gave me an answer right here, and I could click in the top right hand corner on NotebookLM right here, and I could actually sync this conversation with the notebook, or I could add it to a notebook. We could see that I could do that with a new notebook, or I could search through my existing ones. We could see that I have one around car stuff. If I click on this, it will then add this into my notebook. Now, if we actually come over into my notebook, we could see I now have this ChatGPT chat as a source right here, which is incredible. This goes through the entire source guide right here, goes through the platform, goes through exactly what is inside of here. And now I have all this context. I have this chat. I have all of this saved inside of here. And guess what I could very easily do? I could very easily now turn this into a podcast, turn this into a video, turn this into a mind map, into a report, into a quiz, into an infographic, which is absolutely incredible. For example, let's say that I wanted to come over here and I wanted to turn this into an infographic. I could just click on this and boom, it'll go off and do that. Now, while it goes off and creates that, I did want to show you that they also have this Chrome extension right here, which allows you to actually create a prompt library. So if we come over here, you can actually title the prompt. You could put this into a folder. You could add tags to it, and then you could add the prompt in here. So if you're continually reusing prompts over and over again, this allows you to actually store them nicely inside of a Chrome extension so that you could grab them whenever you want. And now, just like that, this turned this into this infographic that is absolutely incredible. And again, you could do this with ChatGPT, with your Grok chats, with Gemini, with Claude, all of it. You can now, don't lose that context and can add it into NotebookLM at any time. Now, the next tool I want to show you is going to be RobinReach right here. What this is going to allow you to do is connect Claude or ChatGPT to RobinReach, and you'll be able to literally type just one prompt, and it will give you a week of posts written, planned, and scheduled across all of your social media platforms. In fact, if we come down here, this shows you exactly how it works. Works for Facebook, Instagram, Threads, Blue Sky, X, works for LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, all of these different platforms. And this makes it incredibly easy for you to be able to use their MCP server or just their tool to be able to upload everywhere. So you could upload once, you could post everywhere. So basically, post one video and post it across 11 different platforms. It's native for every platform. So for Reels and Shorts, it's going to be vertical. It's going to change the aspect ratio, the captions, the hooks, and you can set it and forget it. So you can connect this to your accounts once, new TikToks, Reels, and Shorts get repurposed and scheduled on autopilot. On top of that, this is built for pretty much every niche that you could think of. If you're an agency, it works for that. Small business works for that. Nonprofit, startup, founder, you're a coach, you're selling real estate, doesn't matter. It all works. It's literally as simple as you signing up right here, you going through and actually connecting all of your different profiles right here, and then you could go through and do all of these different things. Like you could set up automations, you can compose content, you can create a content calendar, you could repurpose things, you could engage with people all from inside of here. In addition to that, you could generate your own reports if you wanted to. And under RobinGen, this is actually pretty cool. This allows you to go through and generate tons of different things. For example, let's say you want to generate a post from a link. We could come over here and click on this. We could choose what channel we actually want to post on, the tone and voice, the post language, add the link, and it will actually go through and create the content for us. For example, I'm going to say that I want to create a post for X right here. I want the tone to be professional, and I'm going to grab a link to something. For example, I'll actually grab the link to RobinReach right here, and let's see what this does. So we're going to add this in right here. We're going to click on generate content, and let's see what this actually does. Now, just like that, this actually went through, this grabbed all the different photos from here, which is pretty awesome. I'm actually going to remove these photos right here. We can see this actually made this tweet right here, and now we could publish this out. So it's literally just turn a landing page or a website into a tweet. We could get this to rewrite this with AI. It grabbed the photos automatically, and this kind of shows off how simple this makes creating content. Now, before I get into the rest of the tools that are only going to keep getting crazier and crazier, I wanted to remind you that if you like any of the AI tools from this video, I linked out to each of them at the pinned comment below. Because right now, AppSumo is running a lifetime deal for all of them, and it's going to be ending soon. So if any of these look like they'll help you get more done, be more productive, or save time, I would strongly suggest you get the lifetime savings because it's not lasting forever. Now, the next tool I want to show you is going to be HelpWoom, because they allow you to get unlimited customer support, which allows you to save money across a bunch of different tools. For example, if you're currently paying for Crisp, this will allow you to actually get rid of that and save money. Help Scout, this will allow you to get rid of that and save money. If you're paying for Intercom, this will allow you to get rid of that and save money. And they have some pretty incredible features because they offer unlimited live chat. Unlike other tools on the market, they don't have tiers, they don't have pay per user billing, they have no disappearing messages and no surprises. You could start supporting your customers in seconds. You could support together, get email notifications, you could collect warm leads, and actually have availability expectations. On top of that, they allow you to actually offload your customer support to AI 24/7. Super easy to get set up. You could have a human jump in when needed. It stays on script. It comes with multilingual support, custom instructions, and it could be available 24/7. Getting this set up is literally as simple as this. You're going to type in your organization name, the link to your website. Then you're simply just going to copy and paste this code onto your website. And then you could go through and you could customize your widget, or you could turn on an AI agent chatbot. They also have a help center, or you could import from existing help centers. Like if you already have something set up on one of the tools I mentioned earlier, you could now import those changes directly into here. Then from here, you'll be able to manage your inbox. You'll be able to actually manage your contacts right here. You could build out reports right here, like what your response and resolution time is, how many emails you got, how many chats you got. And if you come into your settings and come in a widget, this is where you'll be able to adjust everything. For example, if you want to adjust your welcome message, you could come through and you can do that right here. If you want to adjust your autoresponder, we could come over here and do that. We could turn on autoresponder and actually tell it what we should be responding with. In addition to that, we can actually connect this to all these other different tools, for example, email forwarding or Slack, so we could get alerted of specific messages. And they even have MCP access if you want to be able to connect this to ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Now, the next tool I want to show you is going to be HyperCore right here. This is a wiki that captures every word that you say. So basically, it's a native macOS workspace that combines an LLM-powered wiki, a meeting recorder, and global dictation. So this will capture all of the notes you type, the calls you record, and the words that you dictate, all from the same place. So basically, this is capturing your meetings, this is capturing what you're typing, and what you're speaking, so it has full context into everything. Then from here, you could actually go through and be able to access this. So this is basically a breakdown of how this actually works right here. So you can dictate to it, so you can talk to it, it can record your meetings, and it will actually see the notes and pages that you are actually going into. You'll then be able to turn these all into little projects. This then feeds into this right here, where you could go through and ask it questions. For example, what do we decide about pricing tiers? This then goes through and tells you that based on Q2 planning, this actually gives you the response right here. So basically, if you have trouble trying to find things, or where something was mentioned, or where something was brought up, or what you guys actually decided on, this is going to change your life. In addition to that, this works from inside of any app. It has 7 local speech engines. It has live translation, a menu bar, mini bar. It's GPU accelerated, and it has LLM post-processing. What does all that mean? That this isn't constantly going to mess things up because it's powered by AI and it's self-fixing itself. So all in all, HyperCore is basically your second brain that you actually open and you control what it does, what it sees, and what it has access to. What's pretty awesome about this is now every conversation becomes searchable intelligence. All of your meetings are now inside of all your different AI tools. In addition to that, with one click, your whole team could be set up and kept in the loop of everything that you've been doing. Now, the last tool that I wanted to show you today is honestly probably my favorite, and that's going to be KeyShift AI, which is basically AI that types wherever you type. We could see in the example right here, let's say we're in Slack, we could call on KeyShift and say, explain this, and then it actually goes through and changes what's being typed out right here, which is incredible. So basically, you now have AI wherever you're typing, wherever you're chatting, even if you're not inside of AI. And this comes with several different availabilities and options to use this. For example, if you use this command right here, a floating pop-up appears and you'll be able to pick something or give it custom instructions. They also have a command palette right here, which allows you to do this. They have voice input, they have clipboard AI, and they also have workflows, which are going to be multi-step, where you could change multiple AI steps into a single action, which is pretty crazy. So basically, what this tool right here does is actually replaces all these different things. Having a ChatGPT tab open, having Grammarly, having DeepL, having Whisper or Voice, and having Notion. Because now you have one shortcut inside of every tab with no juggling. Also, from inside of here, you can actually control your shortcuts, so you can create your own, you could add shortcuts, or you could add a new mode. In addition to that, if we actually come into workflows right here, we could actually build out our own custom workflows, which is pretty incredible. So now whenever you have to do something like summarize something or fix grammar or change the tone or email or message or reply or any of these cut things, you could even create a custom one. You could actually build out workflows inside of here. So you just type in a prompt and it goes through and actually does all of those things without you having to explain to it to do all those things. Now what's incredible here is, watch this. I could come over here and do something like this. Just type in key shift and say, explain to Dr. Jones in a long message that I was sick. Press space twice. This goes through and actually creates this. And then we're able to paste this directly in here once it's done, which is absolutely incredible. Look at this. Dear Dr. Jones, hope this message found you well. Wanted to inform you that I was sick. Apologize for not being able to join. And this wrote us an entire message. We could use this for emails, for communications, for taking notes, literally for anything that we want. So what are you waiting for? If you like any of the AI tools from this video and you want to try them for yourself, I would strongly suggest you go down to the pinned comment below, because I've linked out to each tool, and AppSumo is running a deal with each of them right now in order to give you lifetime access. And if you don't take advantage of these deals while they exist, you're going to regret them because they don't last forever.